On today's episode of Plumbing Gone Wrong, we're going to talk about exploding water heaters. Although it's not common, it is a reality and it can happen. I'm going to give you a few pointers so that you don't end up like this guy, or that guy. Number one, if you smell gas, call the gas company to come shut your gas off or call us. This guy didn't call anybody when he smelled gas. Number two, if your water heater stops working, please don't touch it. Just give us a call. This guy tried to light his own water heater instead of calling a professional. Number three, it's important to regularly maintain your water heater so you can avoid malfunctions. This guy didn't regularly maintain his water heater. Number four, don't be cheap. Don't keep that old water heater to save money. This guy tried to save a buck by keeping that old water heater.